This is why you need the ultimate Forex trading course. Imagine transforming from a novice to a confident, business-minded trader. Forex trading can seem like a maze of confusion and frustration. But what if you had a clear path, guiding you every step of the way? Welcome to the ultimate Forex trading course. This isn't just another course filled with fluff. We're talking step-by-step lessons designed to take you from beginner to pro. Get real-world trading strategies and mindset training that you can apply straight away. Imagine practical learning with embedded videos and audios that make complex concepts easy to grasp. Plus, easy-to-follow tasks and trading journal templates that keep you on track. Whether you're looking to build a side hustle, forge a new career, or you've been struggling with Forex trading, constantly blowing your account, this course is structured to help you learn the dynamics and trade with confidence. And the best part? You get instant access and can start learning today, adapting to your own schedule. Ready to make a real change? Click the link, join the ultimate Forex trading course, and turn this knowledge into profit. Unlock the secrets of Forex trading. Learn fast, trade smart, feel the excitement and motivation. That's your future in Forex trading. Join us now.